How to type multiplication sign in Word. There are 3 different multiplication symbols that you can use in your Word document. We have the dots, the asterisk, and the times. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to type all these multiplication symbols. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Word document, navigate to the top left corner where you see this icon located at the far extreme end and tap on it. Then on this panel with a lot of options, continue to tap on options. This will pull out a pop-up menu. With this, proceed to tap on proofing. Under autocorrect options, make sure to select on the autocorrect options. Then another pop-up menu will appear. Ensure that you tick on this box, which is use mass autocorrect rules. Then after that, make sure to tap on OK. Then continue to click on OK. With this selected, now we're going to type our multiplication signs. In this case, we're going to use /CDOT, then space. This will give us the dot sign. To type the asterisk sign, all you have to do is to proceed to tap on the / again, then AST and space. And this will give us the asterisk sign. And to type the time sign, we're going to use the / again, then TIMES and then space. This has given us the time sign. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.